The United B787 from San Francisco to Singapore. From 38,000 feet. Unya na lang, unya. Si Papa na lang. Si Mami. Biraha daw. I'm sorry. AirAsia from a little bit of face reveal. My old channel is named like Mad Aviation and got hacked. My account got hacked. I signed in to Infinite Flight. If you are a plane guy, please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Please put a heart in the comments. AirAsia from Davao to Cebu. Philippine Airlines B747. Please taxi to Bay 2. Garuda Indonesia B747 from Manado to Davao. Manado, Indonesia. The last flight of Garuda Indonesia at Davao. So, I'm not gonna do the water salute. Please wait. 4747. Qatar Airways clear for landing. Qatar Airways Boeing 777 FIFA World Cup livery requesting to turn around.